Well, we would have to drain it out.
The engine was responding to a arcing power line call, and they were clearing that call, returning back to the station, and traveling down this road that's freshly under construction. And the rear tires went off on the soft shoulder, and the truck rolled over on its side, slow roll. 3 firefighters were in it. One was transported to Clear Lake to have his shoulder checked out for some minor injuries. We got a couple of Apple towing vehicles here where they're used to handling pretty heavy equipment, and once they get it uprighted, we'll see what damage is done. If the truck can be started and drove back, we'll have to send it to the shop in Houston. Martin Apparatus does our maintenance for us, and we let them go through it and see what needs to be done to it. And they'll go through and